You're fine. You can cross in front.
Down here too. I don't think we're gonna be able to circle her.
No, she'll lock on.
Like that. She just wants to go straight up there.
She knows where the barrels are. So I say that and then
Yeah, but you gotta
ask her.
ask her and test
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
She has all that energy, but she didn't use it
Yeah, in the right spot.
in the right spot.
Do over.
Your horse is fine. Oh, is that the way it's going to be all year long?
Like every time you come somewhere and ride, I'm going to be there. Just make sure that everything is just right.
You like him that much, huh?
No, oh, no, we better clarify that one, Kelly. This is Jeff's horse that he's allowing me to ride this year.
Oh, he let you?
Yes.
And so do you
There we go.
as a favor?
Oh, yeah, I got to go on a major weight diet. I can only ride him special ways.
Ask her a
My
little.
husband's going to be there every time I go to run him. Oh, yeah.
That's a lot of pressure.
I know.
One little bobble.
One little bobble and what?
He's done.
You're done?
I'm done riding him.